Welcome, it's a great day to be a miner because we got new hardware, baby. Check this guy out. This is a mechanical keyboard that I paid a total of $9 on Amazon with the brown tactile switches, and it actually is a 75% keyboard and includes the number pad. Let's open it up, let's go. Wow, this is surprisingly nice, and I only paid $9 through Amazon on it. And what I love about it is a 75%, but it has the full numpad pulled into it, and it can be wireless, and you can plug it directly in, or you can use it as chargeable, and it has LED underneath. And let's take a look at these switches. Clicky, but not too clicky. Just my style, man. That is pretty. I'll put links down in the description, but for now, let's get out of here. Peace.